Good morning. It's 6:29 in the morning. Squeaky Leaks is up. Mr. Fuzzy up. And I think Ari is awake, but she is still a snuggly bugly in it. No, she's awake. But it snowed, which is exciting, but also annoying because I don't like driving in the snow. But I have to go into the city today. Ooh. Right, let's go downstairs because Mummy needs a coffee and you guys need your breakfast.
And see.
Right.
Let's see the elves.
Let's go see what the elves have done, Foxy.
I don't.
You are? Turn the light on then. Yeah, that's the outside light. Yeah. So the elves have gone. Where have they gone?
No way. Mama, hair.
No, that's not an elf, that's a sloth.
My slack. And there, Ari?
No, don't let the cats in.
Maybe.
Ari says they're not in there, Fox.
Not a shade. Not a shade.
Foxy.
Mickey, you don't need to look at
Fox.
They might be in there again. Well, she's looking on Facebook already then.
What are elves like?
Cold places. Cold.
Where's cold at the moment?
Outside. Outside. No. Outside.
You're going to look outside,
What
Fox?
about if they're in the car? Trampoline.
You're going to look outside?
Oh, it's nice.
Can you see him anywhere?
No. Let's look in Mama's car.
Go look outside and see if they're in Mummy's car.
Oh,
Foxy. Hey, Fox, look. Who's this, Fox? Who's this?
Me, Ari. They outside. Look, they outside.
They're playing in the snow. They are going to be some cold elves.
No elf.
Maybe not so dark, I don't know. Maybe I don't have a soul. Like I saw you on the train last time. I just looked on my
Morning. It's, what time is it now? 20 to 8. Ready for school?
Yeah.
Ready for school. Ari's ready for school. It snowed.
Check on me.
Not loads, but it snowed. So my car is on defrosting because it's freaking freezing. It's like -4 at the moment.
Pause it.
It is unpaused. I've got my favourite thingy on. Let me try and show you what I'm actually wearing. Shut the fuck up. This. And then I've got my, these are pyjamas. But they are so snuggly. I literally give 0 fucks. Because I've got to go into the city today. I've got to go and have my Universal Credit
Mama,
interview.
go eggs.
You ready?
Yeah, eggs, Mama.
Yeah, they're eggs.
It snowed outside.
It did snow outside. Nice cough, mate. I'm just having my second, excuse me, banana. Bandit.
Oh my.
Having my second,
Oh.
I can't remember if I showed you my new mug. It's huge. And it's like matte sort of stoneware. It was £3 from Tesco's or £3.50, so really good price.
Why no roof, Mama?
Why is there no roof on what?
Trampoline.
On the trampoline, just because the trampoline doesn't have a roof. It's more of a summer toy, Bubby. I've spoken to my friend, who is amazing and an architect,
Mama,
and asked if we can look at maybe building
no roof on there.
a big catio. So this whole thing that's like the outside thing here, we're going to put a roof on it and then sides on it, so this can be the whole catio.
Whole
catio. Foxy, can you show us your crown you made?
How would we
Who made that?
with Mega Aldridge box.
With Mr. Eldridge.
Oh,
Your favourite one at school. What are you doing, Foxy? There you go. Who's that? You're seeing Grumpy. That nice. You give him a kiss?
Why he wobbly?
Why are you wobbly?
No, because he's a little bit loose.
Are you eating your lunch, my man?
Mama?
Yeah?
Why wobbly?
Because it's a little bit loose.
Why?
Just is.
It is. Shut him up.
Hi. Mika went to the dentist, didn't you?
Yeah.
And she was so brave. Let me see. So brave. You had to have a little fill-in, didn't you?
Yeah.
Foxy's there. Just lit a fire because it's cold as balls. It's like not even melted outside our house. It's just super icy and cold and not fun. So we've locked the door. We've got our door curtain across to keep us warm. And yeah, we're just gonna buckle in for the night. I'm not sure how cold it's meant to be tonight. Let me look. So it's meant to be clear, no snow or anything. It's gonna get down to like -1, so not too bad. Tomorrow it says -4, which is crap. But I'm gonna cook the kids dinner and then we're gonna just carry on with our afternoon. My mum was here this afternoon. I can't remember if I actually filmed her or not. My lips are sore again, not from cold sores, just from cold weather. Let me see your little face. He's got a rash all around his mouth where he keeps wiping snot all over himself, don't you? Look. You see your poor face?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. So, Ari's writing Christmas cards because she literally wrote 3 Christmas cards. And I said, well, you need to write them to everybody that's written you them. So she came home with loads today. So it's the last day of school tomorrow. But they have shut the road to our house from the girls' school because we're in a village. And it's only like a 5-minute drive away. But they've shut the road and we don't know why. And I managed to sneak through like a one-way bit to get back this way. But getting to school tomorrow, if it's shut, I'm not entirely sure how we're going to do it. Because it means having to go the back roads, which are tiny, tiny little roads that aren't gritted. So we shall see. But yeah, I'll talk to you in a bit. Hey, it's 10:08. I'm in bed. Foxy's just so I can't be noisy. The day got away from me again, sorry. And I've been awake since 3. So I'm shattered. I'm gonna edit a video and then I'm gonna try and make myself stay up until 9, so in the hopes that I don't fall asleep. I don't wake up again at 3, because like yesterday I went to sleep at like 8:30 and I woke up and I thought, oh, it's time to get up, and it was 11:10. So my body clock is a bit messed up at the moment. My lips gone sore again. Got another cold sore. I'm just so run down, it's ridiculous.